Hello, and thank you for joining me in recognizing some of our senior athletes this year. It's been a non-traditional season for these seniors, and I wanted to focus on these three individuals moving forward for the next 3 weeks here in late April, early May, and then we plan to celebrate them hopefully out at Sudden Valley Golf Course if and when the stay-at-home order gets lifted. More to come on that, but wanted to spend just a week for each athlete, along with the Monday memo email. So those three athletes we're going to focus on are Connor McKay, Ben Rorvig, and Luke Smith. So to get us going, we're going to start with Luke Smith, just because he got me his info back the soonest. So I want to talk a little bit about Luke's impact at Bellingham High School. Luke can be seen in many different environments at Bellingham High School. He does an outstanding job working with his peers. I've witnessed this in his class, in my classroom, and also contributing to others within his student government involvement. He's also proud to be active in his church and bring that faith into more of the school setting with the Fellowship of Christian Raiders that he's a part of. He also is a mentor and has been eager to help out with the Economics for Leaders camps and PGA Junior League events that happen. So he's really passionate about what he does and is always willing to help people out with that. Ultimate Frisbee, I imagine he's pretty good at that because he is very athletic. Unfortunately, we didn't have the opportunity to complete our drive-a-thon fundraiser this year, so we'll never know if Luke can hit the ball further than Coach Greenwood or not. So, but he might have me on the ultimate frisbee. Luke started out his athletic career at Colshan Middle School playing basketball and football, and then when he came to Bellingham High School, he transitioned to golf, and he did so nicely. Luke was able to letter in golf 4 years, which is a pretty outstanding thing to do for a young man or woman. And so he was the captain also his sophomore, junior, and senior year. He was a district participant for the Northwest Conference in 2018 and 19, and we were expecting him to do the same this year, his senior year. And he was also a state qualifier in 2018, his sophomore year, which is another career feat that not many of us accomplished. So job well done there, Luke. So got to know Luke a little bit in the classroom in aerospace and had great memories just trying to get ready for the season, pick out uniforms, design logos as he contributed to the We Are BHS logo for golf, and just really wanted to make this senior year his. And unfortunately for those three athletes, it was kind of out of our hands. But Luke, you still have a tremendous impact on us, and we appreciate that of you. So getting to know Luke a little bit more. Of course, his favorite class and memory is playing badminton with his two best friends in Chronister's class. I've heard nothing but good things about Chronister's PE classes. His favorite golfer, Tiger Woods. Athlete Luke Wilson, go Seahawks. A lot of fun to watch that tight end. And his favorite teacher is Mr. Stoddard. Although his favorite golfer is not John Daly, his favorite walk-up song to the tee box is Tee the Ball Up. And there's the YouTube link for you, but I spared the lyrics for you all this afternoon. His favorite memory was getting out on the links for the 2 weeks that we were able to for the 2020 season and being able to pair up in the group with the boys and the girls golf team. And then his plans are to go study abroad right away. I know he was unable to go visit the school prior. That was kind of his spring break plans. But moving forward, Luke wants to go study at the School of Economics and Business. And that's going to be at the University of Ljubljana in Slovenia for a degree in international business. Luke, we appreciate you. You're awesome. You were a great kid. Sorry about your senior season. The only thing we wish is we had more time to learn from you. So thank you for your contributions to BHS Golf.